Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, looks like we have some locks or carabiners. Aircraft grade aluminum carabiner. Supports up to almost 3,000 pounds. Rust proof, snag free, one-handed operation. Universal packaging. There's a thank you. There's their logo there. Okay. There it is. So you try to do this one hand. You twist and pull to open it. There you go. Twist and pull. When you don't twist it, it locks. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.